You got to work so she doesn't get it. All right? You got to work so she doesn't get it.
Together, 1, 2, 3. Together!
Aboard it.
Just a good high school girls basketball game again. Seems like we've done a bunch of these over the course of the season. And it seems like these last 3 or 4 weeks we've been finding ways to win them. So it ain't pretty, but we're finding ways to win.
I mean, just getting up early, working hard, coming in practice hard, keeping the intensity up, him always making us go energy, energy, energy. It's just, I don't think there's a team out there that's working as hard as we work.
We're playing pretty good basketball. This is the first team that came out and all year long and faced guarded hose the entire game. So which made us work a little bit differently offensively. We've talked about it, worked on some things at practice for that, but this was the first live game, tight game situation that was in. So we're playing pretty good basketball. Can we play better? We can play better, but we're finding ways to win. It's a good thing.